Welcome stunning ladies and gorgeous women to my YouTube channel. I have an exciting video that will captivate you with its incredible ideas for studying short haircuts. Get ready to be enchanted by the beauty, elegance and attraction of these pixie haircut ideas that are guaranteed to steal your heart. So ladies and women, let's embark on a journey filled with the magic and enchantment of these hairstyling ideas. Are you prepared for a dose of inspiration? This year we are showcasing the hottest trends in short haircuts, exclusively tailored for you. These styles are meticulously crafted to make a lasting impact, leaving you feeling confident and utterly fabulous. Get ready for hair transformation like no other. I apologize for any background noise in the hair. Please bear with me. And I promise it will not reduce the enjoyment of this video. Ladies, brace yourself to witness the beauty and elegance of these short haircuts. Each style is a masterpiece designed to make you fall head over heels in love with them. From sleek and sophisticated to bold, this collection offers something for everyone. Just imagine the shine, sophistication and sheer elegance of these hairstyles. They are tailored to make you feel like a fashionista. These ideas will elevate your style game to new heights, empowering you with confidence and grace. Embrace the most stunning short haircuts you have ever laid your eyes upon. Grayish color, brownish color, blackish color, whitish color and light brownish color. These are just a few of the magnificent colors that can enhance these hairstyles. The right hair color has the power to transform your look, adding depth and dimension to your short haircut. These carefully selected shades are meant to complement your features. Prepare to be amazed by the transformation. These short haircuts have the ability to take years of your appearance, giving you a fresh and youthful look. Witness the magic as your hair goes from ordinary to extraordinary. You will be astonished by the impact these hairstyles can create. We would like to apologize for any background noise and occasional language barrier. We assure you that our main goal is to provide you with entertaining and we will leave appealing fashion video. Your support and feedback are greatly appreciated to me. Unleash your inner fashionista with these stylish short haircuts. Whether you desire a chick pop, a sophisticated pixie, or any other fantastic haircut, this video provides endless inspiration. These hairstyles are designed to make a statement and showcase your unique sense of style. If you enjoyed this video and crave more incredible haircut ideas, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will receive notifications whenever I release new content, ensuring that you never miss out on the latest trend in hairstyles. So hit that subscribe button and become a part of our community of fabulous ladies and stunning women. Thank you so much for watching this video, ladies and women. Your support means the world to me and I am thrilled to have shared these amazing content with you in the future. And remember to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so that you never miss out on the latest masterpieces. So go out there, rock your stunning short hairs and embrace your inner beauty. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching the video. And once again, thank you so much for gracing us with your presence today. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you never miss out on the latest trend in hairstyles, which are packed with amazing hairstyling ideas. And until we meet again, may you remain fabulous and continue to shine brightly. See you in the next video.